everyone, my name is Vaishnu Mishra Deshmukh. Today's topic is hierarchy of collection frameworks and today's date is 7 December 20. Now I firstly discussing the collection in Java. The collection in Java framework is provided arithmetic to the store and manipulated the group of object, and the Java collection can be achieve all the operations that can be the performed on the data, such as searching, sorting, insertion, manipulation, and deletion. The Java collection means the single unit of object in Java collection. Framework is provided in many interface set, list, queue, dequeue, and classes, array list, vector link list, and priority queue has set, link has set, and tree set. What is collection in Java? The collection is represent a single unit of object in group. What is the framework in Java? It is provided to ready to make the architectures, and it is represent the set of classes and interface. It is the optional. What is the collection framework? The collection framework is interface and implement the classes and algorithm. Then the hierarchy of collections in framework. Let's the hierarchy of collection frameworks the util package and contents of a classes and interface. First is the hierarchy in list. List iterate. List of iterator is the interface, and interface provided into the facility to the iterating elements and the forward direction only. And iterables interface. The iterable interface is root of interface for a collection classes and collection interface. Existing iterables interface is the therefore all the subclasses is collection interface implement the iterable interface. The collection interface is the interface which is the implement by the classes of a collection framework in declare the method of every collection will be have in a order what we can be say the collection interface build the foundations and which a collection framework. The first is list interface. The list interface is the child interface, connection interface, and inhabits of a type of the data structure and which is stored to the order connections and object can be the duplicate value. Then a array list. The array list classes implement the list interface, and if the dynamically array and store the duplicate element and different data type, and array list classes maintain the insertions of order and non-synchronize of the elements and store the array list classes can be the randomly access and consist. Then it is the linked list. The linked list implement the collection interface and used to the doubly linked internally and store the element. It can be the store the duplicate, implement and maintains the insertion order and not synchronized linked list manipulation of fast and because the shifting the requires. The vector used to dynamically array to store the data elements and similarly array list to the synchronize the contains many methods and not a part of the collection framework. The stack is the subclasses vector and implement the last in first of the data structure, and the stack contain of a method vector classes and provide the method. Then it is the queue interface. The queue interface is maintain the first and first out order, and priority queue. The priority queue is class implement in the queue priority queue interface and hold the interface in object and the previous in the priority queue. It don't not allow the null value in store. This is some discussion of a hierarchy of a collection framework.